Well, there's currently some lightning outside. Try to get it in on camera. Hopefully coming from like over there. Go for that. Get a great bit. You go for that. Lightning. Get this better. Maybe we should open a window. No, there's a car over there. Go here now. I'll come back when there's some lightning. Lightning, like, there's like flashing. And it's flashing more often, man. Can't really see it. Hard. Look at this. Good enough. Maybe a little. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna be right back, cause lightning, like the lightning's not coming. Alright, guys. Oh, wait, there's one. Is it the one? I think those plants. Kind of hard to see the plants, but there's one. For the lightning. Also move to like try to get a better view. Be right back. Okay, if the one is starting to pick up. The lightning, like if you look up, like around 10, lightning trying to come, like look up there. There's, well, yeah, look, yeah. Well, bye guys.